So folks, we're extremely happy on our progress on the R9. It's coming down to 2 more videos. And today on the channel, we're gonna install a GPR steering stabilizer. So before we even start with our install, I want to tell you that stabilizers are not universal. You need to order the specific stabilizer for your particular bike. GPR has made this stabilizer for an R9. So these are the instructions that you follow if you have a Yamaha R9, but not if you have any other bike. So from here, top down, is how the components will be installed on the bike. I'll be using a 4mm Allen wrench to take the cover off the bike, but the screws that I'll be using to install the GPR is going to take a 5mm Allen wrench. Alright, so there we go, installed. Now as you turn the dial, you can feel the tension increasing on the turn of the handlebars. So I'm going to save the test ride until tomorrow because I have something special planned. Me and my partner plan on doing a little riding, and I'm going to go ahead and film it then. And at that time, I'll critique the GPR. But until then, this is your boy Kachi's Kid, and you know I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Peace, ma.